In this video, we're going to look at how to initialize Gingy inside your new project. After opening up Flash Builder, let's create a new ActionScript mobile project. We'll call it Features Demo. Make sure you're using the latest Air SDK and click Next. We will target both iOS and Android operating systems, and we will turn automatic reorientation off and full screen on. In our Build Paths window, add all of the swaks that you can download from our website. After you finish, press Finish. Now, in our source folder, the one called SRC, we've pasted in our settings XML file, which is also available for download from our website. This is just an XML file Gingy uses where certain settings are located. Let's take a look at some of the main parameters. We have stage target width and stage target height, where we can set the resolution we'll be working in, not final resolution. When I say resolution we'll be working in, I simply mean the resolution that our assets are built for, since of course Gingy will automatically scale all of our assets to fit any device resolution. We also have some general preferences such as keep track of components and use memory tracker, both of which are development tools we'll cover in later tutorials. And then we can set everything that has to do with our font, such as our default font name, our default font size, and our default font color, as well as the stroke. We also have tooltip settings, scroller settings, scroll bar settings, where we can customize the scroll bars that Gingy automatically creates, with parameters such as scroll bar color, shadow color, alpha, outline color, etc. We also have a combo box settings section and a tutorial settings section, which we'll cover in our tutorials video. All of these settings have an explanation on top, so I highly encourage you to go ahead and play around with some of the settings to see what they do. Finally, let's change a parameter in our app.xml file. I'm just going to set the default aspect ratio to landscape. Back in the main class, the only line of code we have to write to initialize Gingy is gingy.init bracket stage settings XML in quotes on complete gingy.custom empty quotes and Gingy GUI module. Our third parameter in our init function is the name of the function we want to invoke once Gingy has finished loading. We've called it onComplete, so let's create that function. Private function onComplete. Inside, let's trace completed setting up, so that we know everything has gone through as it's supposed to. Trace completed setting up. And that's it. Let's go ahead and preview it and check our console for our trace string. Great. Here you can see our traced completed setting up. We'll continue filling in our project with the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.